the truck's skid plates came today, so I'm gonna get out here and install them. Hopefully it's warm enough that I can put them on and not really have to feel damp or cold, but we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna take a little video on how to install them and a little bit about the instructions as we go along. So what we're gonna do is, there's a bolt there, there's a bolt there, there's one there, there's another one there. You take those out, get this first plastic skid plate off the splash guard. Now I'm looking at this one and I'm thinking that this one also has to come off because the new plate's got to go on over top of it. So this is a metal splash guard or a metal skid, and the instructions don't say anything about it, so I'm just going to take it off anyways and go get the mid skid and slap it on. I'm pretty sure that's it though. So just to give you guys a size comparison, this is the General Motors Performance one, and this is the, I guess it's kind of like a regular skid, or it's a strut skid, I don't know, but you can see the size difference between the two. They both cover that same section, but you can see how much more skid you have in the General Motors Performance one. So I'm lucky I'm such a tiny little man, because I can actually fit under here with both my shoulders. So this one here, so I'm also doing this by myself, which obviously is not very advisable. Hate glasses because they always fall off my face. Okay, this will just do hand tight for now. They gave me 3 bolts, so I'm trying to see where these other ones go. Okay, so that looks like that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's take a look here. So another bolt goes back here, another one right about there. I don't know if you can see that because my glasses keep falling off my face. Yeah, so right there. The third one goes here. The reason why these two are open is because the front shocks, the front skid plate actually gets tightened into these ones. So now I'll show you guys something on the instructions. It says for the 15s and 16s, these two holes at the back, you actually have to drill. So if you have a 17 or newer, you'll be okay. But if you're in a 15 or 16, you'll have to drill some holes just underneath here. So let's get back to screwing it in. Alright, so after some technical difficulties, which was basically just me cursing a bunch, the mid plate's on. So we're going to go ahead and put on the front skid plate and back it out of the driveway, take a few photos, a little bit of a video maybe, and we'll be done. So the size difference between the plastic plate and the aluminum plate isn't that big of a difference. The only difference being that this is piece of shit plastic and this is 5000 series aluminum, so very durable. And yeah, it looks really great on the truck. Once it's on, I'll back it out and I'll show you guys. So let's take a look at how the front plate attaches. There's the two bolts that I showed you at the beginning. Then they bolt in the rear. This is the mid plate bolt, and then these two bolts thread through the front plate and then through the front of the mid plate and then into the frame. So you're not gonna be able to see it, I don't think, but that's how it goes on. So